Hey guys, we're going to do word problems and similar polygons today. So we're still cross multiply, so that's what you got to keep in mind when we're doing these sections. Rita reduces the sides of a rectangle to a height of 2 inches. What is the new width if it was originally 24 wide and 12 tall? Okay, so we'll just start with the original size. So we'll make that into a fraction. Okay, so notice I put the width on top and the height on the bottom. So that's important because over here I need to do the same thing. It says, what is the new width? So that's what I'm looking for. I'm going to put x on top. And then the height is 2. Okay, now we'll cross multiply. 12x. 2 times 24 is 48. Divide by 12. X equals 4. So it looks like our new width is 4 inches. Okay, sometimes you have word problems that involve a scale, like if you were doing a map or something. So if we look at one of these, the scale for a model airplane is 1 centimeter equals 20 feet. Okay, whatever they give you for a scale, go ahead and throw that in your problem for your cross multiply. Okay, notice you did centimeters on top, feet on the bottom. If the model's 3.5 centimeters, remember I put centimeters on top, so I'm going to do that again. What is the actual length? So I'll put x on the bottom. Okay, and then cross multiply. 1 times x is x. 20 times 3.5. Check that out. Is 70. Okay, so not hard problems. The next part of this deals with similar figures. This is how it relates more or less to geometry. Similar figures have the same shape but not necessarily the same size. They do have 2 properties to be similar. Their angles are congruent and their sides are proportional. You want to remember that because it's always a test question. The 2 properties. Okay, so we would talk about maybe a big figure, maybe a big right triangle, and then maybe one that's been reduced in size. Okay, so they have the same angles. So if this could be like a 30, 60, 90, then this one would be too. Just been reduced. Okay, so what do we do with these? If they're similar, then you can use that with cross multiply to find missing sides. So on this problem, they give me 10 and 8 for the sides of this triangle, and then x and 4. Okay, they want me to find this side. So what you need to do is see what pairs together. These 2 sides are between the right angle and the 2 switch marks, so they go together. This is between the right angle and the 1 switch mark, so they go together. Okay, so there's multiple ways of setting it up, but I just like to do what goes together. So I'll do 10 over 8 for this triangle. That's the long and the shorter leg. Goes with the long and the shorter leg. X over 4. And then just cross multiply. So 8 times x, 4 times 10, divide by 8. So, be a lot of cross multiplying in this unit. Have a good day. Bye.